The following is an excerpt from an askSlim member video. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube and share it. We put tons of new videos out every week. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, and follow us on Twitter at askSlim. Email matt@askSlim.com and request a demo of our technical analysis services, trade planning tools, and amazing video workshops. Our services support all trading and investment styles. Please do enjoy this video.
This is an askSlim traded a video walkthrough for an intermediate term short in Taiwan Semi. This is symbol TSM. The bottom we have the SMH cycle in green, and we have the TSM cycle in black. What you'll see here is there is a very clear interplay with the TSM cycle and the SMH cycle. You can see right here, got into the rising phase with the SMH cycle rising as well as the TSM cycle. You can see this beautiful rally right here. After that, we had a pullback right here into the SMH low, got a minor rally on that SMH low, but note that that TSM cycle had already turned down, and you can see what happened. That formed a bear flag. Right there, you see that? And then that turned right back down to complete that TSM cycle. After that, we moved up here, had the TSM cycle rallying, but then the SMH cycle pushing down, and you can see we really went nowhere. Pulled back right here into the SMH low, got the rally off of the SMH low, but TSM had then turned down, so you can see that once more went nowhere. And then right here, we formed our bottom when the TSM cycle bottom got into the rising phase, blasted off on the upside here. And then note what happened. We then had a breakdown. So that means that this TSM cycle had turned down. And we had an SMH low right here. You can see that pullback right here. Then we had the rally. And then that broke down. So what does that mean? That means that we have the TSM cycle pushing down as well as the SMH cycle pushing down. So this is a period of really heightened risk where the core energies and the core money flows are all pushing to the downside. Right now we are looking for a low to form 620 to 88 and really targeting this major 61.8 around 81.80. We have a 61.8 fib here at 80.63 and then a 78.6 down here at 72.55. If we shift over to the daily chart, you'll see fairly clean daily cycles here in TSM. As you can see here, it's been clean for really quite some time. This low formed a little bit late due to very strong selling. So what we're watching for is if a short cycle forms in this next cycle here to get the overall rhythms back into line. That's usually how it ends up playing out. The favorable entry here comes in from the short-term 38.2 to the short-term 50. So that's 94.70 to 97.57. If this ends up closing over the 61.8 at 145, that would render this idea no longer valid. And we are looking for a move to the short-term fib target zone from 85.36 to 78.72. The theoretical risk on this idea is right around 580, and we are targeting a move of over 920, so quite favorable there as well. What I want to highlight is in each of these cycles, note that this cycle right here got very close to that prior low right there. That really gives us a warning sign, and what we would watch for is for rallies to fail in the red zones. And look what happened. We had the rally that failed right in that zone and then turned down, and after that, we now have a bearish daily cycle structure where we had a lower cycle low versus the prior low. From there, the odds would favor rallies that failed in the red zone that happened again. And look what's happening here. We have one more. So this is why we have the levels that we do. I did want to really take some time to walk through it. So hopefully this was helpful to you. The next key short-term low is due 613 to 621. So that's our levels along with the overall logic behind the intermediate term short that we have in Taiwan Semi. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out. Thanks again and have a great day.